Hello and welcome to Go Google. Today I am going to do a quick overview of mini project Twitter sentiment analysis. In this project we are going to fetch tweets from Twitter and perform sentiment analysis on them to get if the tweets are positive, negative or neutral. Let's start with imports. In imports section we are going to import RE, that is regular expressions. Regular expressions will help us clean the tweets, that is remove special characters or other unwanted characters from the tweets we fetch. Next I am going to import TweePy. TweePy is a Python open source package that gives us a very convenient way to access Twitter API with Python. TweePy includes a set of classes and methods that represent Twitter's various models and API endpoints. It transparently handles various implementation details such as data encoding and decoding. TweePy is great for simple automation tasks and creating Twitter bots. Next we are going to import TextBlob. TextBlob provides a simple API for diving into common natural language processing tasks such as part of speech, tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, classification, translation, etc. This section is authentication section. In this section, we are going to input the consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret that we obtained from Twitter Developer Console. I'll put a link in the description from where you can access Twitter Developer Console, and there will be a small tutorial for it too. Next, this section just authenticates you. Authentication is basically login into your account but without GUI. The getTweets function is the main function to fetch tweets and pass them. Here what we are going to do is create an empty list named tweets. After that we will call Twitter API to fetch the tweets, and then we'll pass the tweets one by one. To do that, we will create an empty dictionary variable named passTweet to store the required parameters of the tweet. The parameters are text and sentiment. Next, we are appending past tweets to the tweets list. For that, we are using if-else statements. If-else statements ensure that there is no redundancy in the stored tweets. Next is the pre-processing step. Here, we use cleanTweet function to clean the tweets. Here we are passing tweet list to the cleanTweet function. By using regular expressions, we are removing any links or special characters present in it, which may be any mention or any link to other website, etc., so that it does not interfere with the sentiment analysis. Next, as the name suggests, getTweet function returns the polarity or sentiment of the tweets. If the polarity is greater than 0, that means the tweet is positive. If the polarity is equal to 0, that means the tweet is neutral. If the polarity is less than or equal to 0, that means the tweet is negative tweet. Next, in the main method, we'll call every method we created earlier. Here you can notice in the query I have passed Elon Musk and the count is 200. What 200 represent is how many tweets will be fetched from the Twitter. Next, the ptweets variable stores the percentage of positive tweets. We use simple mathematics to calculate the positive tweets percentage, the negative tweets percentage, and the neutral tweets percentage in it. The love tweets are positive tweets, the hate tweets are negative tweets, the neutral tweets are obviously neutral tweets. Next, we are going to print 5 positive tweets and 5 negative tweets, and we are calling the main function. There is nothing special here. So here's the output. As you can see, it has neatly done sentiment analysis and displayed the love tweets percentage, hate tweet percentage, and the neutral tweet percentage, which is 33, 5 and 60 respectively. Here are first 5 positive tweets and the first 5 negative tweets.